Well, for all you folks that have been asking for an update on the Saab, here it is. We're going through the psychedelic car wash. Woohoo! Hasn't been washed in several months. We're sitting at 150, 185. Uh-oh, what's that say?
Rain sensor.
Oh, rain sensor. The wipers are trying to wipe off everything. But anyway, the Saab's doing pretty good. I had to put a coil pack on it. But other than that, it's loud. Oh, and that window is shimmied up with a block of wood, but it's not leaking, so that's good. Got a window regulator out there, so anyway, just a little car wash. Get her shined up.
Yes.
So I'm driving the Saab.
Okay, I gotta go though. Love you. Hey, I love you. I'll see you. Bye.
I mean, what's he talking about?
Order a pizza.
Have this right here so I can put my arm down. Thank you. He's wanting to order a pizza from where?
He asked if I was Pizza Hut.
He asked if you were Pizza Hut.
He just texted Pizza Hut.
Oh boy. Well, we got her cleaned up, Mama.
Yeah, that's good.
She's a little cleaned up.
I like that little
Yeah.
format thing.
Yeah. Got the floor mats clean. This thing needs a polish pretty bad. Maybe when I settle down with the car long enough, we can trade out for a little while. I can polish this baby. We'll check the oil when we get back, see if it's low. I don't think it is, but you haven't put a ton of miles on it in the past few months.
I mean,
Not many.
if you wanted to.
I mean, when I was up there the other day, you showed me the 150. I was like, and it's only been 187 miles since.
Yeah, that was.
We're knocking on wood. Knocking on wood. There's that dude. Yeah, gonna probably need to go ahead and replace these spark plugs since it's still doing a little hesitation. Even when you start it on a warm start, I can't imagine how bad it is on a cold start.
It's pretty common.
But as soon as you hit the gas, it's fine, right?
Usually, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it won't start right away a couple of times.
Yeah.
It does.
Almost due for an oil change. Got about 500 more miles. We still got a square tire on the back.
That was months ago. That guy told me I needed tires.
Uh-huh.
Guess what?
But for $3,000, we haven't done a whole lot. Been a good old car. And it's gonna continue to be a good old car.
Better be.
Well, me and the separated wife are getting along okay. She came down to get some paperwork because we sold one of our houses and it closes Wednesday. So she drove the Saab down. I got to run it through the car wash. Poor car, man. It needs some polishing so bad. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's got so much scratches and just tree sap. The whole car needs polishing. All the marks there on the door. But this thing has been a good runner. It has not failed her, and that's all I need it to do, is to run and to last a little while. So, check the oil here. See what we got. Looks pretty good, but I know it leaks some oil, so I'm going to add a little bit to it. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. There she goes. Got to rev her a little bit. She needs spark plugs bad. There goes the sunroof. She'll be speeding home in that little rocket. Little Joker gets good gas mileage too. Bye, Mom. Little Joker gets great gas mileage and got tons of power. I guess that's the GM 2.0 that they use in the Malibu and the Equinox and all that stuff today. There she goes. So yeah, the wife and I, we are separated. Been separated since September 20th. It sucks. It really does. But we're getting along. We went and ate some lunch and went and washed her car and cleaned it up. And I checked the oil. And I did have to add, I got glasses too, and they have the transitional lenses. Aren't they sharp? I checked the oil and it was a little low, so I added a little bit of oil to it. It's due for an oil change. So anyway, had a bunch of people asking me about the old Saab, what was up with it, how was it doing, and it's been doing good. It just, cold start, it shakes a little bit, and if you like warm start it with the air conditioner on, it'll sometimes start and then stall, and you have to restart it again and just give it just a little bit of gas, and then vroom, it'll go. So, but once it's running, it's fine. So there's just a little bit of cold start shakiness and some hot start stalling that's kind of starting to go on, but the car's still reliable enough for her to drive back and forth up and down the road. She gets to work and back in it every day and does what she needs to do. So for $3,000, it's been a great car. I guess we've put close to, I don't know, I think it had 142 or 143 on it last summer when we got it. So we've put about she's put about 7,000 or 8,000 miles on it. So I know that wasn't a great update on the car, but it's a little bit for those that have asked me about it. So anyway, thanks. Like, share, subscribe, dislike, whatever. Please subscribe, because out of all my watch hours, only 2.5% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed. So, please subscribe. Anybody you think that might like this craziness, ask them to as well. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Bye. Peace.